Hello everyone. In this short video I would like to show you how you can enable or disable the E sound on the Volkswagen E. I guess it should be the same in Skoda Citigo EV or Seat Mii electric. For those of you that doesn't know what is E sound, this is artificial sound that is installed in the car in order to alert the pedestrians that there is a vehicle around them. These cars, actually the electric vehicle cars, are very quiet. That's why this is needed, just to inform the pedestrians around the car that there is some vehicle on the road. So to do the modification, you need to go to the dashboard, then go to adaptation, and then search for actuator. You need to go to press this one, and when you activate it, actually you will deactivate the E sound. Let me show you that. So the dashboard, you can see that there is currently, I have a fault because I don't have E sound installed on my car, but you can see in the icon that the E sound is off, and we should be careful about the pedestrians around us. And if you go and not active, put it not active, you see that the icon there is not light in anymore, and the E-sound system is active. Okay, that's it for this very short video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon.